Welcome back to WordPress course. We have done the first introduction and installation guide video. If you haven't seen, please see this video, and this is our second video where we are going to see the admin panel of our WordPress website, and we will look at the function we have on our admin panel, and I will try to explain everything what I know. So let's get into our website, which we have done on our first video. Please watch this video and you will understand everything what I'm doing in this video, otherwise no. So let's start our SAM control panel, and after starting the SAM control panel, let's search my web, now localhost, and my web. So this is the default website that WordPress gives us when we install the WordPress on our server. So now let's search WP admin in order to go to admin panel of your website. This is your normal website with WordPress. Now let's go to admin panel. So we need to type WP admin, okay? And now let's enter. And you need to give the username and password, what we have done on our first video. Now let's type the username, which was coding mode, and password was hello man 123. As you can see, I'm showing my password because this is on my local host, but when you are uploading your WordPress file on the server, on the real server online, you can't give the password to anyone. If you give password to anyone, the user will have access to everything of your site, and the user can change everything of your site from admin panel. So now let's log in to admin panel. So as you can see, this is our admin panel from our site. In this place, I'm going to open my website, normal website, as you can see, and here I'm going to open my admin panel of this website. As you can see, the first is dashboard. Welcome to WordPress, you can see, and the first thing we will see is not a post, we will see pages. So now let's click on pages. What is pages? This is really important. So as you can see, this is the name of the page. We have two pages. We don't have, but WordPress already created a sample page and privacy policy page. These are all demo pages. You can delete them when you are making, when you don't need this. Basically, you don't need this. This is just a sample page. So as you can see here, this is sample page, and on our my web, I guess this is sample page. As you can see, this page is basically the sample.html page or sample.php, something that is in WordPress. So here, this is an example page. It's different from blog post because it's staying in the place, as you can see, blah blah blah. And by clicking on this sample page, you can edit the page. As you can see, here we have the text. You can say we have access to this page, and update. When you refresh your page, as you can see, we have access to this page. We can edit our pages from admin panel. These are the pages, as you can see. Now let's see what is the post. As you can see, this is on post, because the default page of our website is blog page. So as you can see, the hello world is our own post, and we can add another post. When we click on this post, we will go to the main the detail of this post. As you can see, if you don't understand what I am saying, probably I also won't understand if I were new. So now let's see what is post. We have one post here. We can add another post by clicking here and add the title, the new post, and we will type our content. You can see you can edit I mean, you can edit and you can add paragraph, quote, and videos and everything. You can drag and drop basically, but this isn't the best way to build a website. I mean, this was the best way, but now when the plugin called Elementor exists, we will see soon. The Elementor is better than this. We can install the plugin Elementor and make website with Elementor. So now let's see how our post look like. We're not going to uploading a video, sorry, this, but I'm just showing you that we can upload video. This is our post, as you can see. Now when I publish this post will go to our blog page, which is our first page. We can change the name of the blog page from with any name, which we will do on setting. Soon we will understand this, but for now let's see. The post will be, so we can show the post defaultly so the post on blog page, and when we click on the post we can see the post. These are all blogs and the news. You can write anything from the posts. So these are the posts. These are the difference between pages and posts. You can add post and upload on blog pages, but if you are making a pages, you will need to manipulate your website or put somewhere on the navbar or somewhere to show your page. So we have seen the post and page. Now let's see what is media for today. This is the last option. We will see what is media. The media is basically the stories of our media. You will see, if you add some photos and videos here, you can show those photos and videos to your website. That's it. This is the media. So that's it, guys. If you have learned something on this video, or if you have doubt on anything on this video, please comment. Feel free to comment, and I will try to reply and justify my video. And don't worry, guys, I haven't talked. I cannot explain everything until you try to do by your own, and please try to do by your own the pages and post, and we will later we'll talk more about this thing and we will understand. And we also have to talk about the plugins, which is the most important now on WordPress, and appearance, themes. We'll talk about everything. Stay tuned, guys. See you next time.